I explained that in order to reverse rotation in DC motors, you have two possibilities. The solenoid control box, the main positive enter in the middle, big positive for one direction, other big positive for the other direction, and the signals are coming from the remote switch. That's it. This is the solenoid control box. Or if you have a couple of relays, it's exactly the same. The power enter in the middle from the battery, one cable big current for one direction, other cable big current for other direction, and the solenoid receives the signal, ground in the middle, yellow signal here, blue signal here, and you rotate depending what is your decision. Yeah, all right. This is reverse rotation of DC motors. For AC motors, I explained that the secret is the contactors. No, you see, this is a breaker. It's a traditional breaker. 3 cables enter here and 3 cables goes out. However, this one have the signal here. You see the signal, guys, here? The signal is AC, 110, 120, 50 hertz or 60 hertz. What is the meaning of that? When I bring the signal, you remember from the push button, what happened with the breaker? Close the gaps and the current pass from here to here. Let me check if this is working. That's the breaker, and we are going to bring hot and neutral. Close, open, close, open, close. And this is the signal that you send from the fly bridge. In this particular case, this contactor is with AC signal. There are contactors like this with DC signal. No, this is with AC. There are exactly the same contactors with DC. You remember what is the process, no? I have a motor, 3-phase motor, and I have 2 contactors, and the 3 phases enter here in this order. In the second breaker enter in the switch, 2 of them. No? When I press the push button to activate this, the motor rotates in one direction. When I press the second button to activate the second one, the motor rotates in opposite direction. And they have in the middle that mechanism to avoid that you press both buttons at the same time. The mechanism in the middle in between both breakers is the interlock. You like it, guys? Now it's clear for you. Doesn't matter if I have AC motors or DC motors, I can reverse the rotation. If it's DC with solenoid control box or relays, if it's AC with contactors.